describes what a company expects or hopes to accomplish over a specific period. In other words, where it hopes to be at a future date. We also use the term business goal with the same meaning. On a personal level, a goal is an idea of a desirable or future result that people envision, plan, and commit to achieving. We commonly endeavor to reach goals over specific periods by setting deadlines or predicting milestones. An ambitious person's goal may be to reach a level of power, wealth, or fame. This video focuses on the term with its business meaning. In business, the terms goal and objective are often used together, however their meanings are quite different. A goal is where you want your company to be at a specific date in the future. How you plan to get there is your objective. The word goal describes the destination, while the word objective describes the journey. Most companies have details on their goals and objectives in their business plan. A business plan is a formal document that outlines a company's goals, objectives, strategies, and financial forecasts. Not only do whole companies have goals, but also departments, employees, customers, and other parts of a commercial enterprise.